I'm going to show you how to test for a diastasis recti. What I want you to do is look for it in 3 spots. You're going to start at your belly button, put your finger in your belly button, and you're going to lift your head off the table. Now what you're looking for is, do you feel a separation or a space happen in between the muscles of your abdominals? Okay, so do you feel a space there? And if you do, how wide is that space? How many fingers can you fit horizontally in that space? Anything that's 2 fingers or above is considered a diastasis. Like usually around 1 finger is considered normal. So we're kind of looking for like anything larger than that, like 1 to 2 fingers width. Also feel though, what does it feel like inside? Does the tissue get real soft and squishy inside and go downward? Or does it get soft and squishy and sort of push outward, like bulging? Just take a note of that, okay? Because that's gonna give you an idea of how your abdominals are firing together, okay? So which ones are weak, which ones are strong. So take a look at the belly button and then go and change your location to right in between your belly button and your rib cage. Put your finger there, lift your head, do the same spot, okay? Or do the same thing. Look in that place. In addition, I should mention, you also want to take a note of how deep that space is, okay? So we're looking at width, depth, and feel of each of these locations, okay? So then you're going to go lower in between your pubic bone and your belly button and put your finger there, lift your head, do the same thing. What do you feel? So take notes of all of that. Then try it and do a pelvic floor contraction at the same time. So take a good breath in, exhale, lift your pelvic floor or do a Kegel and lift, 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 and keep that pelvic floor lifting as you lift your head. What happens now? Do you feel this connect a little bit more? Do you feel the gap close? Do you feel the tissue get a little bit tighter underneath? Check all the spots and see what happens. If that happens, that's a really good sign. That means that your whole core system is responsive and connecting and coordinating. You just need to build a little bit more strength to the system and challenge it in different movements, okay? So it means that the brain is on and everything's working together. We just need to make it a little bit harder.